Guys, it is here, my 2024 Ford Mustang GT Premium in yellow splash metallic. Check it out, looking beautiful. It's still got all the delivery stickers and everything on it. Guys, it is finally here. We ordered the car March 27th of 2023. It is finally here. My Mustang GT Premium, my 2024. Alright, so right from the get-go, my first impressions, I freaking love it. Look at the headlights. I love the blacked out LEDs. This is just a beauty. Looks so menacing, especially in yellow splash. Kind of wish it was grabber yellow, but hey, beggars can't be choosers. I mean, they do look, they look similar. It looks really nice, very sharp. I really like it. This is it, guys, my GT Premium. It's finally here. Looks so nice. I got the black Brembos. I kind of should have gone with the red calipers for my Brembos, but to match my seats, my seat belts, I should have matched that, and especially with the red right here in the 5.0 right there, I should have matched that. But guys, this is it. I'm so excited. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. It's finally here, the car I ordered after so long. Looks so menacing. Kind of wish it was a bit lower. I did not get the Magneride in it. That's the only thing it's missing. Other than that, it's fully loaded. It's got the Recaro, it's got the Bang & Olufsen, the GT Performance Pack, Midnight Pony package. It's got it all. Yeah, guys, it's so nice. I just want you guys to take a look. It's such a beautiful car. Like, literally, it's such an eye catcher, especially at certain angles. Like this car, it really pops out. Just look at that. Wow. So we're gonna go ahead. So this is the new spoiler that they have for the GTs now, the GT Premiums and the Dark Horse. And the Dark Horse comes with that standard, unless you get the upgraded handling package, which comes with the bigger wing that Shmi has on his car in staying mode. Yeah, guys, and here's my window sticker. My car was $62,840. I literally have every single option. I even got a full vehicle indoor vehicle cover appearance for $180 just for the cover itself. You guys can read the window sticker. You guys can pause. I'm trying to go as slow as possible. Yep, there you go. Special order, $62,840 for my Mustang GT Premium, my 2024 yellow splash metallic with the Recaro seats. Really liking his wheels and the caliper Brembo with the pony right here at the bottom, as you guys can see. And then on the rear, we have, again, 4 pistons. I believe these are 4 piston calipers right here. 4 pistons. And this is a 2 piston caliper right here. So technically it's a 6 piston altogether right here. It looks so good. I really like it. It is so nice. Kind of think the red painted caliper will look a little bit better, but it's all good. Oh my. Oh, okay, we're good. Yeah, the car's dirty. It hasn't been washed yet, so. But yeah, this is it, guys. Let's check out the interior. All right. Gonna go ahead and open the door for you. Check it out. Same as my previous Mustang. They changed this a bit, kind of like a carbon fiber texture to it. Feels a bit like plastic, I'm not gonna lie, but does visually it looks like carbon fiber, but then when you touch on it, when you touch it, it feels like plastic. Same door handles, tape still here. Interior, Recaro seats looking nice and good. Recaro. Check out the red seat belt. I'm gonna put this on here so it can look a tad bit better. Come on, baby, get in there. There we go. Boom. Oops, I had it. Guys, red seat belt. Take a look. It looks beautiful. And then here I got the oh, I can't reach it, but red seat belts in the rear too. Red stitching in the back. No, it's white stitching. It's not red stitching. That would be cool. If this is also red stitching, that'd be really nice. That'd be a nice feature. And then fold down the seat. You can just go like this, or you can just hold this down and fold it down. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna show you guys some more of the red seat belts. They look really good with the car. Kind of messed up on my part for not getting the red calipers, but it's all good. And then let's take a look. We're gonna hop in here in the passenger seat. Let's take a look. Glove box. Got the wheel lock key in our nice pouch. Mustang, and then also the same texture, same plastic feel, even though it looks like carbon fiber from a distance, but then once you touch up on it, I would say dry carbon fiber, but it feels like plastic. It feels like it. I don't know if dry carbon fiber feels like that. It might. I'm not entirely sure. Wireless charging pad. Got the dual screens here. Got the cockpit view right here going. Got the 12 speaker, 1 subsystem, Bang & Olufsen sound system, producing almost around 1,000 watts. Fun fact, the Bang & Olufsen that's in this car, the Bang & Olufsen sound system that's in this Mustang is the same sound system in the Audi R8. I bet you guys didn't know that. But instead of the subwoofer obviously being in the trunk, which I'll show you momentarily, it's on the passenger front fender. That's where the subwoofer in the Audi R8 is located. It is the same sound system as the Mustang, which is pretty cool. Right, now check this out, the electronic part, the e-brake. So when you're drifting, just yank it up, just like that. It doesn't stay up like my previous GT did. You just hold it up when you're drifting. When you do your drifting, you just yank it up and you can drift around. So washer, the windshield is the same, wiper indicators the same, paddle shifters are finally, they look a bit cooler, but the thing is, I kind of wish it was like the GT500 was like, you know, or Ford Performance where it just sticks up like that. I think it will look a lot better. The Dark Horse surprisingly has the same paddles like this. It doesn't have the higher paddle shifters, but if you guys want to take a look, that's how the paddle shifters look like now. So it's a little bit of a silverish touch to it now. So yeah guys, this is the interior of my Mustang GT Premium. Looks nice, I like it. I deleted the rear seats on mine in my previous GT, which I'll probably do the same. So yeah guys, this is and then here I'll show you guys the screen. It starts up, looks just like that. And then when you change the drive modes, check this out. I'm gonna hit OK, hit the down arrow. You got normal, sport. Watch this. Changes the whole font. Boom. You guys already see. I already changed it to yellow. Change that. There we go. Make it more cooler. Sport, and then you have track mode. Watch this. Boom. Changes the screen just like that. Track and drag mode, or the track mode and drag mode, they have this same screen. And drag strip, again, like I said, same screen. And last but not least, you have slippery mode. And of course you have custom mode. It just goes back to the normal gauges. And then we're gonna go to custom. And yeah, that's it. What the drive modes. So this is it guys, Mustang GT Premium is officially here. Breaking news is that I'm not taking delivery. The reason why I'm not taking delivery is because I told you guys I'm getting a Shelby GT500, and so I am. I already told you guys when I had sold my GT Premium. Yeah, so this is my car, but not my car, if that makes any sense. So yeah guys, this is it. My GT Premium that I ordered, but you guys already know I'm getting the GT500, which is coming very soon to the channel. So with that being said guys, final look at my GT Premium. One last look with the Recaros, red seat belts, 10R80 transmission, the electronic drift brake, the dual screens, flat bottom steering wheel. Such a beautiful car. I love it, but this is not it. So with the GT500, it will be coming soon to the channel. Right now I am just waiting for the right moment, especially the way the economy is and everything. You know, don't want to get in politics, but I just want to wait for the right time, right moment. My goal initially is hopefully next month. As of right now, it is November 2023, so hopefully next month, December 2023 or January 2024. That's when I'm initially looking at pulling the trigger. So hopefully by that time frame I will find a grabber yellow GT500, hopefully a track pack. That's kind of the ideal plan, is to get a track pack. Hopefully the prices are not rape. So but I'll keep you guys updated with that. In the meantime, guys, I'm glad you guys stuck around and watched the video of this beautiful GT Premium that I had ordered. Drop a like, subscribe to my channel, check it out. I have more car stuff on my channel. Please check it out. Check out the NIAS North American International Auto Show vlog. Check it out, the GTD reveal, all on the channel. Thanks for watching. Drop a like, subscribe. I'll see y'all in the next video. Take it easy. Peace.